My second altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is going to be a bit of VeChain, a bit of VET, guys, because I know quite a lot of you love VET, right? A lot of you love VET, and too rightly so, right? We've got an ascending triangle coming through there, looking for a massive breakout, as you can see there, guys. Looking really good. I think I'm actually in this trade. I probably shouldn't have deleted all those lines. Let me get those back. Yeah, so I'm actually still in this position there. I did get into this position around this sort of area here there, guys. I don't know the exact price, right? I think it was when we broke this 14.668 there, because you can see the breakout scenario from this ascending triangle there, really quite good there. You can see the resistance coming down here, really strong, but the support here is prevailing. Really good stuff. If we do see us come down, we know we're basically going to bounce here. It's not a problem at all. But what I would say, what we have seen recently, I did see my first take profit actually get hit around this $15 and $15 cents and 57 there, 59 there. What's wrong with me? And then did basically just ride on those take profits all the way up. I then basically got my stop loss, put my stop loss to my entry, and you can see that the dump that we did see last week, I didn't quite get there in terms of stopping me out. Nearly, but not quite. So yeah, it's all still good. We're riding that wave up. Now probably looking for, I mean, we've already taken profit here, so I'm just basically like letting this run now. I've pretty much got nothing to lose. I've already hit literally like 2-3 take profits all the way up. So yeah, it's a successful trade at the end of the day. If we do reverse here, not a problem. I've still made that cold hard cash, and that's why I do say, guys, staggering your take profits all the way up. In terms of VeChain in general, guys, we do have, you can see this uptrend. It's really quite strong, really quite nice, I must say. Quite an attractive chart pattern as we are seeing coming up here. I mean, to be honest, it is looking a bit like a rising wedge there, but now editing this, I could probably make that a parallel channel. Yeah, it's a bit more parallel channel now when you're looking at it like that, which is bullish, guys. It's not bearish. Rising wedges, they tend to usually break to the downside. So yeah, it's better when we have a parallel channel coming up like this. In terms of targets to the top side of this parallel channel, we would see this 18 cents 1.3 coming up from there. That's gonna be looking really quite good. Volume weighted ATR band is going to be resistance to 18 cents and 6 there. If we can get above that, then yes, we are going to be looking at targets of around 20 cents there. Breakout scenario here for VeChain, which we could be looking for. There's a couple coming through, right? There's a couple, because obviously we've got this ascending triangle coming through there. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a nice measure move like that. We're going to, on the most recent uptrend inside of that chart pattern there. We're basically bringing that to the top side here, and that is going to be bringing us all the way up to this 20 cents mark. Pretty good stuff indeed, pretty progressive, really nice, and that's basically going to be my last take profit for that trade. But parallel channel as well coming up, guys. So we could actually be looking for another breakout scenario coming through here for the future here for VeChain, for VET, right? And now this is going to be looking, probably I need to bring this up a bit more to get a bit more price target coming through there. As you can see, depending on where we're going to break, guys, say if we break around 20 cents there after we clear this completion of the measure move before, we could be looking at another move to the upside here. Another move to the upside. Obviously, it's not just going to go straight up, guys. We're going to have pullbacks along the way. It could be another 30% move to the upside there. And yes, that is going to be clearing all-time highs for VeChain. Very progressive, very good stuff indeed. In terms of a bit of fundamental behind VeChain at the moment, they've got a bit of there's a bit of a rumor saying they've got something going on with Coca-Cola. So that's definitely something to be looking out for there for the future as well. But yeah, overall looking really quite bullish for VeChain. Look really quite progressive. If we were going to see us actually come back down here and actually see us invalidate this uptrend, I would have expected that last week when we did actually see this huge dump to the downside here. I would have expected to come back down and just basically rejoice inside of this ascending triangle yet again. But no, we're actually seeing continuation to the upside. Even today, we're still up around 7% there. So yeah, it's really quite good. Let's jump down to the smaller term time frames to see what's good coming through here. Because yeah, as you can see, we have seen obviously this low point coming through from last week around 14 cents. And 14 cents and 8.3 there. From there, it's just been higher low. It's just been higher low. It's just been momentum, and it's just been invalidating these lower highs here from these for this most recent lower high here. Now, this is where it gets kind of a bit more interesting, guys, because we are going to see us progress here, and we are going to see us clear this 18 cents and 35. This is the lower high that we do need to break there, so I would expect a bit of resistance there. We got a volume weighted ATR band. You can see we do get a bit of resistance from this zone. Sometimes support, yes, not bad, but when the resistance does play out, it can be really quite strong. So just be aware of that for the future here for VeChain, for you day traders out there. If we can break this, we're going to be bullish, even more goddamn bullish than we already are, just because this is a lower high, guys. We're going to be breaking that lower high. We're probably going to even be coming up, oh, that's a really bad line. We're probably going to even be coming up and setting a new high here, which is going to be really quite good for VeChain. So yeah, just brace yourself for that. Be prepared for the day, because this could carry on. It could be really, really quite bullish. But I just want to say trade safe, guys, because we are still up 7% for the day here. And when you're up around that sort of levels and you're coming up to really heavy levels of resistance, the chances of you getting rejected are getting higher and higher and higher, right? So yeah, just be prepared for that. But that is going to be your daily update today there on VeChain.